I have lot of noise going around me, so if you guys hear something, forget me. Hey guys, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Shorvani and thank you so much for being here. So it's been a long time. I really wanted to start my channel, but somehow it didn't happen. But finally I am here and I am filming for my channel. Yay! So my channel is all about beauty, lifestyle, makeup, skincare, a little bit of fashion or something. So if you guys are interested, please subscribe to my channel. I'm excited also and I'm very nervous also. I don't know how you guys react. You guys gonna love it or not. I don't know how to edit, how to talk to camera. I really don't know. So please bear with me. I know that I can grow from this to I don't know where, but I can grow with you guys. So please support me and please support my channel. So this is long intro, sorry for that, but let's start it with the video. I'm going to talk about 10 skincare products which I really love. If you want to know which product are these, then keep on watching. We'll be picking up products randomly. There is no order as such, so don't worry. So the first product which came in my hand is this plum olive and macadamia hair mask. This is how it looks like. I have very little left in the tub. I absolutely love this mask. I have a very dry, dehydrated, frizzy hair, and after using this, I really see the difference in my hair texture. It becomes really smooth and manageable. My hairs are not manageable, guys, not manageable. These are like my enemy. So yeah, so I really loved it and love so much product from their brand. I use so much product from their brand. So yeah, if you want any hair mask, go check it out. Second product is the Himalaya Oil Clear Lemon face wash. This is how it looks like. This is a pump. This is the bigger one, bigger tub with the pump. They have a three tube, small, medium, and this is the, I think this is the bigger tub. So yeah, I love the neem face wash Himalaya have. So but right now I am in love with this. Neem oil is slightly drying on my skin, but I have been using the neem oil I think since 4 to 5 years constantly. I always, whatever face wash I use, no matter whatever face wash I use, I always go back to that neem face wash because I have very oily skin and I can get pimples very easily. But right now I am in love with this face wash. This is not drying on my skin at all and I loved it. So the third product is Biotic Bio Papaya face wash. It is not only a face wash, it has a chotu sa granules in it, so which reduce your dead cell or dirt from your face, and it is very mild on your face. I don't like the bigger chunkier apricot walnut shells are very dangerous, can be dangerous for your skin, but this is very mild. The granules are round and it will not cause a micro tears because it is very small, very little granules, and I loved it. I think this is my third bottle. I loved it. I only use this scrub on my face, otherwise I do not use any other physical exfoliators on my skin. I don't like a very harsh particles on my skin. So yeah, if you want, you can check this out. And the next product is Dr. Sheth's Basic brightening extra gentle daily peel. This is how it looks like, the packaging and the product. This is how it is looks like. It has pump. This pump. So I'm not going to waste any product. I'm not going to waste because it is very expensive. So it is cost of rupees 850 for 50 ml of product. It is a very costly. This is my first chemical exfoliator. I never used chemical exfoliator before, so this is my first time. So this is actually basically a chemical exfoliator which gonna exfoliate your skin, remove your every dead cells from your skin, and rejuvenate your skin, and which also gonna brighten up your skin. Actually it has a glycolic acid and lactic acid which exfoliates, and pomegranate extract which gonna brighten up your skin. Chemical exfoliators are replacement of physical exfoliators, so which not gonna harm your skin, which not gonna create any macro tears on your skin, but it gonna exfoliate your skin at the same time. If you guys want to know more about chemical exfoliator, let me know in the comments down below, because I am also a new in this, so I have to educate myself before I talk about it. But I have to tell you guys that I'm enjoying this. If you guys wanted to try, you can try Dr. Shell's out. This brightening pill one, I am enjoying this. So yeah, the next product is a moisturizer from Plum. This is Plum grapeseed and sea buckthorn night cream. This is a very good night cream. You can use it under makeup at daytime, at night time. It is very lightweight and the smell is very good, although I don't appreciate fragrance in skincare, but still, so I quite like it. And the texture of the cream is very good, guys. It is not a thick kind of a moisturizer which gonna sit on your top layer of your skin. This is not like that. It absorbs into your skin. Want any moisturizer which not very thick and light in texture, you can check this out. It is a very good moisturizer. So the next product is Herbal Essence Bio Renew Repair Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo. This is long as name. This is how it looks like. I really enjoying this shampoo. I have the conditioner as well, but I only talk about 10 products, that's why I'm not including the conditioner in this video. But I also love the conditioner. I have backup of this. This is, I think I have left this much. I think this much only. So I have backup, and so I absolutely loved it. It cleans my hairs and it don't makes my hair more frizzier than before. That's the best part of it. I have a very frizzy hair, guys. I can't even tell you. So anything that make my hair less frizzy, give it to me. So the next product is the Face Shop Half Day Cleansing Cream in the variant Green Tea. So this is actually a cleansing balm. This is how it looks like. It looks very delicious. Actually I stopped using wet wipes and I only using a makeup remover, micellar water, or this kind of a balm, because wet wipes are not healthy for our environment. So I also encourage you guys to stop using wet wipes and move into a balm and micellar waters. So you have to scoop out the product in your hand and have to massage all over your face, and it gonna break all the makeup on your face. And after I think 2-3 minutes or 5 minutes maximum, not 5 minutes, I think 2-3 minutes is enough. After massaging, then wash your face with the face wash and you are good to go. So the next product is Mamaearth Upton face mask. So this is how it looks like. Oh my god, guys, I am in love with this product. I can't even tell you enough. I am in love, and the smell is very Upton like, and it is like our Dadi Nani recipe in a tub. I loved it. It makes my skin look really youthful, look rejuvenate, and it makes my face like I can't. How can I describe? It makes my skin look so beautiful. So I can't tell you enough. I loved it. I loved it. If you want any mask, go and try this out. So the next product is a Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. This is how it looks. I don't think I have barely anything left. I don't think, guys, you can see it also. This is a very gel like texture. Very gel. It is a gel, I think. It is a gel. You can see the tub and you can imagine how much I loved it. I just love this moisturizer. It is like oily girl's summer best friend. Skin oily, dry, normal, any skin type can use this, but for oily skin girls, because moisturizer can be heavy for us, that's why it is a gem for us. So if you want any moisturizer. And the last but not the least product is Wadi lip balm mint. This is in the variant mint. This is how it looks like, guys. This is very moisturizing, very moisturizing on your lips, and this is very cheap at price. This is the bigger tub, and this is 52 rupees. That gives your mint a very minty, like a tingle on your lips. I loved it. I also love the purple one, the purple, I think, blueberry version. If you want any lip balm, you can go and give this a try. These are my top 10 hair care and skincare products which I love. If you guys want to know only skincare, only hair care, or top 10 of makeup products or lipstick or any kind of a video, any haul, any review, let me know. Feel free to comment, guys. Whatever, all the links, products link in the description box below. Go and check it out. And if you guys still here and still listening my bug, then please subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click that notification bell. I will be see you very soon, and thank you so much. Bye bye.